In this hint and tip, we are having a look at inserting pictures within your Word documents. You can insert pictures into a number of, in all of the Microsoft Office packages, but this example we're just having a look at Word. The Inserting Pictures option is found on the Insert tab, so if you click on that, you'll see that there's a Pictures option right here. We're going to click on this and select this device. So this is going to insert a picture from our PC. We're going to scroll down to find our logo, select the image and click Insert. You'll now see that it has inserted it into your document. You'll notice that the image has basically filled the whole of the screen, or the whole of the Word document. The reason for this is just down to the size of the image. So depending on how big your image is will depend on how big it is inserted into your documents. So that's actually inserting it in. I'm now just going to show you a couple of formatting options to help you make the image a bit more relevant and a bit easier to maintain in your documents. First of all, resizing. It's always best to use the corner handles, these circles, when resizing your image because it resizes both directions at the same time, keeping the image in the correct proportion. So that has now resized it to make it a bit more of a reasonable size for this document. If I try and click and drag this and move it, it won't move very well. This is because of the type of text wrapping that is currently applied to it. To change this, if you click on this little symbol, this little box to the top right of the image, you'll see that you can change the text wrapping to apply to it. It's better to use square or tight because this will allow you to move your image around your document and will wrap text to either of those. You can use the other options though if it's relevant to your documents. Now that I've changed it, you'll see that I can now move the image to wherever I want to on this screen. You'll notice that there is some white space around the outside. You'll notice that there is actually quite a bit that we don't really need. So I'm going to crop this to make it a bit tighter to the logo. So you'll notice that if I right hand click on the image, the crop option appears here. You can either crop just in one direction or you can crop in two at the same time using the corner options. So you notice that I'm not cropping much out of this image, just a little bit to make it a bit closer to the logo. The white space that's still there will stay there because of course this box around it holds the image together. However, you can remove this white space if there's a chance you will have some colour in your background, in the background of your documents. To do this, select the image and up on your picture format ribbon up at the top, select the colour option and then select transparent colour. So set transparent colour option. If you now click on the white space behind, you'll see that that symbol came up for applying the set transparent colour. Now that I've clicked it, it's disappeared and that's now been applied. You can't see anything at the moment, but this is more beneficial if when you're creating your Word document there are other images or there's colour involved. So that was just looking at inserting pictures within a Word document and just some formatting options for applying to pictures once you've inserted them.